Hi friends, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene. Now on this episode we are making Pizza Bagel Bites. Super simple and super easy. The ingredients cannot be any easier, and these are the perfect snacks to have on hand for the kids returning back to school. You know, they come home so hungry, they're gonna like raid your refrigerator. But instead of all that happening, you can make these simple snacks that will go in a flash and that are super tasty and delicious. And what kid doesn't like pizza, right? So right here I'm gonna walk you through some simple, delicious and easy store-bought ingredients that you can buy in the store, and you can put it together and it will feed an army. I mean, it's so better to make it at home. You have more of a quantity of it left rather than buying just a few, and it will cost you so much, and it only will probably feed like one kid. So right here, my friends, we are going to just jump right into this recipe. Now let's begin. All right, my friends, now let's begin. Now right here I have some mini bagels, really cute plain mini bagels. You can go on the healthier side if you want to get all wheat. That will be delicious just as well. And right here I have some tomato sauce, plain tomato sauce. Over here I have what I would like to call my pizza seasoning. I have granulated garlic. I have dried onion flakes, and I have Italian seasoning. This is my pizza blend. If you want to add anything else like hot pepper flakes, you can. That choice is totally up to you. Now here I have as well is pork, pepperoni. You can use turkey, and I ground it up in my mini food chopper, which it would be perfect for topping our mini bagels. If you're using the larger bagels, I wouldn't chop up my pepperoni. I would just leave it as whole. And here is my full fat mozzarella cheese that I also chopped up in my mini chopper, just so that way it makes it easy to top the bagel pizza bites. So that's why I had chopped both of these up, but you don't have to if you choose not to. Now let's begin in preparing our sauce. Okay, my friends, now let's prepare our sauce. Like I said, this is just plain old tomato sauce, and I'm just gonna put about 2 tablespoons each of my seasonings. You can add more, you can add less. This really is just easy to eyeball it and just mix it through. That is as simple as it comes. You can taste to see if it needs any more additional seasonings, but that's about it, my friends. Easy pizza sauce. Okay, my friends, let's start making our mini pizzas. Okay, so after you finish making your pizza sauce, now it's time to take about a spoonful, depending how saucy you want your pizzas to be, your bagel pizzas. You can put as much or as little as you want. You can get really creative, guys. This is perfect not only for an afternoon snack, but if you have any company over, a movie night, family night, a game night, whenever. So I'm going to be putting sauce on all of my halved bagels because I cut them in half. And don't forget to preheat your oven on 350. This is only going to bake for about 10-15 minutes, just until the cheese melts. And that's about it, my friends. And I see you right back after I finish putting my pizza sauce on all these bagels. Alright, my friends, after you finish putting the sauce, you can go on and start topping off the cheese right on it. I mean, this, my friends, truly is a great little snack. You really get a good buck for your money, you know, because these little bagel bites come in a nice little pack of, I don't know, you know how many they came in my supermarket, but you can really save money by doing this, and you can really create a masterpiece of your own by putting whatever toppings you want. You can make a white pizza. I mean, sky's the limit, my friends. All right, my friends, last but least, let's put on the pepperonis. Yeah, put as little oil as you want. This is definitely a nice little activity for the kids to do as well. Really, really, really delicious. But definitely so worth doing it at home. Easy peasy. And if you can save $1 or $2, why not? Okay, my friends, my bagel bites are ready to put inside the oven for a good 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is fully melted through. I'll see you right back when this is all done. Okay, my friends, our bagel bites are done, and I am gonna take the one right in the middle because it's calling my name. Alright, my friends, it is time to do a taste test. Simply Divine. I had my bagel bites just cooling off a little bit because it was really piping hot, and I did not want to get my mouth burned by no cheese. Oh, excuse my dog right there. And I am going to take another bite again because it's just so delicious. This, my friends, they're so good. It's just so much better to make them at home. You save yourself some money. You can feed some hungry kids and still have some left over because, let's face it, cheese, sauce, bagels, whether the little bagel bites or the whole bagels, and that's it. Or you put whatever it is that you like on your pizza. The sky's the limit, my friends. Enjoy it, make it, be creative. Don't forget to follow me on my social media sites. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And make this your friends, your children, your guests. They're gonna love it. Thank you once again. Please make this. It's absolutely delicious. So easy to put together. You can have the ingredients on hand and whip it up in a flash. Thank you, my friends. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.